Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to be drawing a tugboat. You can follow along with the picture on the left. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the bottom of the boat first. For that, we're going to draw a line at an angle. We're going to kind of curve it. So let's go ahead and just bring a line up. You see how there's a little bit of a curve in that, and then we're going to come out and draw another curve out. And then we're just going to follow it all the way down and back up. Kind of like a moon shape. And you see how it's wide up front here, and then it gets narrow in the back. And then we're going to add the top of the boat. For that, just come up, draw one line up on the left. We're going to curve it, and then we're going to bring it right back down. So there's the top, and then we'll draw the roof for the boat. For that, we're going to come out on the left side here, draw a line out to the, draw a line out to the left here, and then we're going to follow this curve here. We're going to bring it all the way around. We're going to come out past this line and just curve it right back in. And then to make it look like this roof has a little bit of depth to it, we're going to come up on this side on the left, draw a little line up, and then again we're just following this curve. Just follow all the way around. And right when you get to the end of this curve here on the right, we're just going to draw a line straight down. And then to finish off our outline, we're going to draw a little smokestack. So come over here again to the left, draw a line up, and we're going to kind of follow the same shape we have for the top of the boat here, just a little smaller. So draw the curve coming across and then bring it back down. Alright, so there is our basic boat shape. Now we'll go ahead and start to add some of the details. Let's go ahead and start with the lifesaver first. We'll put that right here on the left side. So we're going to do this little lifesaver float. Just draw a big circle. And then we want to make it look like it's kind of at an angle. So instead of drawing the circle right in the center, we're going to draw it off to the left a little bit. This will make it look like it's kind of angled. Alright, so there's our lifesaver. Now we can go ahead and erase some of these lines inside. Alright, and to add a little bit of depth to this lifesaver, we're going to draw some lines and we're going to curve them. So come up here on the top, curve one up, and then another one, kind of bring them out. So it's going to be narrow at the bottom here, and then we're going to make them wide. Same thing on the right side, and we're going to curve it. This way it looks like the lifesaver is round and these stripes are curving around it. So just come all the way around. Same thing on the bottom. And then one more on the left side here. Just like that. And you can see how just offsetting it just a little bit makes it look like the lifesaver's aligned with the side of the boat. And then we're going to draw a little line right down on the right side here. And this is going to separate the left side of the boat to the right side over here. It just makes it look a little more three-dimensional. And then just add a little more detail. We'll give this boat a stripe. We'll just come right down here, come across this lifesaver, bring it up, and we're going to stop at this line that we have right here in the center and come down. That way it looks like this stripe is wrapping around the boat. And then for the top, we'll give the boat some windows. So come up here, we're just going to draw a rectangle. We're going to curve this a little bit. We're going to kind of follow this roof shape here. Just curve it, just like that. And then we'll just do one more. Bring a line down and curve it right to the end here. And then we'll do a little window frame, so we'll go ahead and just draw another little smaller rectangle inside. And this one we want it to look like it's wrapping around the boat, so we're not going to finish this when we get to the right side. So draw a line down, bring it across, and make it go right into the right side here. So that way it looks like it's not stopping, that it's wrapping around the boat. And then again, just for a little detail, we'll put another stripe going right across the bottom here. And then for our smokestack, again, just like we did this line here, so we can see the left and right side, we're just going to do another little line. So that looks like we can see the side of the smokestack and then the front. And then we'll just draw a couple little cloud shapes here coming out. Make it look like smokes coming out. Maybe make them smaller so it looks like they're fading away in the distance there. And then for the bottom here, we want to make it look like the boat is sitting in some water. So let's go ahead and erase the bottom of this boat line here. All right, now we're going to add a wave to the bottom of the boat. So come down here and we're going to draw an S shape. Just come down, bring a curve down, then bring it back up right across the bottom of the boat, past it a little bit. And then we're going to make it look like some waves are kind of folding over here. So just draw some curved lines and then just bring it right back into the point on the left side, just like that. That's the beginning of our wave. And then we're going to come down right underneath, draw a curved line down. Then we're going to draw another line right on the bottom. So curve it up and back down. And then we're going to curve it right back into this point here. Let's erase this here, that's kind of messy. Alright, so there's the bottom of our water. And for our wave, let's just come in here and add some little accent lines to make it look like the wave is folding over. And then right here on the left, we'll draw the back of the ocean. Just draw a little wavy line. Maybe a couple more to look like ripples in the water. Same thing on this side, just draw a line down. A couple more lines for ripples. Same thing here, a couple lines. This just gives a little more detail to the water. And then behind the boat we'll do a couple clouds. Just come draw a straight line on the right side here. That's the bottom of the cloud. And then we'll just draw a couple little curves coming up. These can be different sizes. They don't have to look exactly like mine. These can kind of be random. So we'll do one cloud there. Maybe a smaller one behind here. Just straight line at the bottom and then curve it up. And then we'll do a couple birds. For that, we're just going to do some outlines of the birds. So we're just going to draw a little V shape, come down, draw a V, and then bring it back in. This looks like birds in the distance flying. Maybe another one back here. One little one over here. And there is our quick and easy boat. Now all we need to do is outline it and we'll add our color. All right, here's our finished picture. We hope you enjoyed the lesson, and if you'd like to see more videos like these, please consider subscribing to support the channel. And remember, be kind, work hard, and keep drawing, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.